Hey everyone, my name is Tenny Takahashi. I'm a product marketing manager in the Webex Calling team. It's great to meet you, and we have an awesome demo for you today. We're going to show you audio intelligence. Audio intelligence is a portfolio of technologies that makes it easy for Webex users to communicate clearly on any device, whether they're in the office, at home, or on the road. Now we're going to show you 3 audio intelligence features today: noise removal, optimized for my voice, and third, our latest feature, noise removal for external callers. For this demo, I'm going to play background noise from this computer onto this portable speaker here. You're going to be able to see the amount of sound energy generated on this decibel meter. Now, as you can see, normal conversation is about 60 to 70 decibels. An important note about the decibel scale is that it's logarithmic, not linear. So a 10-point increase in decibels is a 10 times increase in sound energy. A 20-point increase in decibels is a 100 times increase in sound energy. Now for our first demo, noise removal. You can access noise removal from this little arrow next to the mute button right here. Once you click this arrow, you'll see this menu exposed. You can select noise removal, our second feature, optimized for my voice. You can also have these features on by default, so you don't have to worry about them at all. For the sake of this demo, we're going to start off in music mode, which will turn off all noise removal so we can hear our surrounding environment. So let's play some background noise. We have some dogs barking, ambulance, chainsaw, some street noise, and some car horns. And as you can hear, this is a very challenging environment to talk in. We have about 90 decibels worth of noise. When you have this kind of noise on your end of the conversation, a Webex user can simply turn on noise removal, and that noise is removed from the conversation. Our artificial intelligence technology is identifying, isolating, and removing non-human noise from the conversation. One more time, noise removal is off. You can see and hear that 90 decibels worth of sound. And one more time, noise removal is back on. For our next feature, we have optimized for my voice. Optimized for my voice is designed for environments with both background noise as well as background voices. These environments can be challenging for artificial intelligence systems because they often have difficulty distinguishing between voices in the foreground and voices in the background that you don't want to hear. So let me play some background voices so you can hear how this works. You can see we have about 85 decibels worth of background voices. And what I'm going to do is turn on Optimize for my voice. Optimize for my voice is now on. You can hear those background voices removed from the conversation. What our artificial intelligence is doing is focusing on the voice closest to the microphone, mine, and removing all of those extra voices that you don't want to hear. One more time, optimize for my voice is off. And optimize for my voice, of course, also includes our noise removal technology. So we can turn on some chainsaw, some street noise, and some horns honking. And when we turn on optimize for my voice, you'll be able to hear that all of that background noise, all of those background voices are removed from the conversation. Now for our last demo, we have noise removal for external callers. And this feature is designed for the many conversations that we have with external parties like customers or partners or suppliers. Now in the past, when you heard noise on the external side of the call, you had to ask that person to speak up or move to a quieter place, all stuff that wastes time and saps productivity. This is why noise removal for external callers is so valuable. It enables a Webex calling user to remove noise on the external caller side of the call without that person having to do anything at all. Now for this demo, I'm going to place a call to this flip phone. We're using a flip phone here to underscore that there's no noise cancellation being done on this device. And I'm going to share my Webex app. You can now see the Webex app, and I'm going to place a call to my flip phone. You can see that call coming in. I'm going to pick up and I will mute the Webex side of the call. You're now hearing me exclusively through this flip phone, and this flip phone can be any PSTN device in the entire world. I want you to pay attention to the top left-hand side of the live call window, this circular icon with audio waves in it. This is how the Webex calling user activates noise cancellation when they hear noise on the external caller side of the call. With a single click, you can see that tooltip changes to say that noise canceling is on. So let's turn off noise cancellation and play some background noise. You can hear that we have about 95 decibels worth of noise in the background, a very challenging environment to have a call in. Now when the Webex calling user hears this noise on the external caller side of the call, they can cancel this noise with just a single click like so. Much easier to hear me with all of that background noise being removed. One more time, noise cancellation is off, and noise cancellation is back on. That 95 decibels worth of noise is being removed automatically from the external caller side of the conversation. Okay, that background noise is now off. I want to emphasize that all of this processing was being done on the Webex calling side of the call without any interaction from the external caller. Pretty cool, right? Now let's go back to our meeting. We had 3 demos for you today. Noise removal and optimize for my voice are features already available to Webex Calling, Meetings, and Webinar users, accessible from that little arrow next to the mute button. Our latest feature, noise removal for external callers, this is a brand new feature, a first of its kind in the industry. It'll be launched on desktop in August of 2022 and mobile coming shortly after to Webex Calling users. I hope you enjoyed the demo. It was my pleasure to present to you. Thanks so much for your time. Have a great day.